Hi everyone, let's see what we are going to create. The effect is good and I think it's worth it. So let's start. At first, we need to create this shape. So how we can create that? We need to insert a new slide, blank space. Then you find the shape easily here, I think. Then create it. But the important thing is that you must understand that 3 of them must fit. So because of that, this shape is big. We are going to reduce it in size. 1, 2, 3. It's nice. Now we create a copy of them. 2 copy of them. Then we align one center, middle, and the 2 of them, 3 of them. One of them is going to have the picture. So we format it and add the picture. For example, this picture. You see the problem? It's trying to fit, but it's not fit. So this thing happen. How we can fix that? There are many ways for fixing that. You see, the offset is the problem. It's trying to fit, but I don't want. So you need to fix it from here, or there are another ways for fixing that you can find and do that. If you want to know, I think if I'm not misunderstood in the crop phase or other phase, you can do that. Or if you want, there is always a better way. The better way is that we add the picture in another way. How? We insert the picture from here. And for example, after adding the picture, we bring the shape to front, bring the picture here, then select these 2, go to shape format and make them intersect. As beautiful as possible. Now you need to copy the text. The text is just a simple text, but I'm going to explain more for you. So wait until then. The first text, the second text. The upper text is created using Overdrive Sunset as a font, and this thing is Lorem Ipsum. It's a placeholder, but I'm going to reshape it to the simple one because that one is really awkward and I don't like it. So this is the last thing we are going to see. Now it's time to color things up. Let's say I'm going to format the shape, and before that, let's set the shape outline of all of them to none. I'm going to use gradient fill. And you see the gradient fill is really doing its work. Let me just make things a little tricky. And let's reduce the brightness. Okay, it's good. And format the background and set the gradient fill. But the gradient fill is going to be this gradient fill. So we format the background to this gradient fill. How? We need to create that thing, or just simply create another thing. Let's create a new thing. Okay, it's good. Now we apply to all. We need to bring this to front and send it to back. And then in the next slide, we press Ctrl A and align everything center and middle. Then set the transition to morph. And let's take a look. It's as beautiful as possible. I think you'll like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.